Is your Nintendo Switch refusing to recognize your favorite game, leaving you stranded in the digital abyss? First, power down your Nintendo Switch completely by holding the power button for 3 seconds and selecting power options. Then turn off. This ensures no data is being written while we troubleshoot. Grab a can of compressed air and a soft, lint-free cloth. Carefully blow short bursts of air into the game card slot to dislodge any dust or debris that might be interfering with the connection. Gently wipe the metal contacts on the game card itself with the lint-free cloth. Be careful not to apply too much pressure. Now, inspect the game card for any physical damage, such as scratches, cracks, or bends. Even minor damage can prevent the Switch from reading the card properly. Try inserting a different game card into your Switch to see if the problem persists. If other games work, the issue likely lies with the original game card. If the problem continues, navigate to System Settings on your Nintendo Switch. Scroll down to System and select Formatting Options. Choose Initialize Console. Keep in mind that this will erase all data on your Switch, so back up any important saves to the cloud. If you have a Nintendo Switch Online subscription, select Initialize without deleting saved data to avoid losing game progress. Hopefully, one of these steps has revived your game card slot and got you back in the game. If you're still having trouble, contact Nintendo support for further assistance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Nintendo Switch tips and tricks.